All right, Nathan Cox here, guys. Today we're going to do the unboxing setup of this smart cat litter box. I think Winston wishes he was a cat so he could be in there. All right, so let's just get started with the unboxing and see what's in here.
All right. Easy there, buddy.
A little too close. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
All right. Oh boy.
This is big. Now we'll have Amazon links, description down below for this exact unit. It was one of the highest rated ones out there. Just had a lot of good functions. So is everything inside here?
Yep.
We better put this back in here.
So this here is a completely automatic litter box. So what this is?
Yeah, it's supposed to be completely automatic. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so blah, blah,
okay, blah, blah, blah.
All right, wait, here, let's see.
Sorry.
So this one I remember seeing online. Wait, here's another piece of tape.
Oh, is this supposed to open like an egg or something?
Yeah, kind of. So there's two little things here on the sides. I think if we press them in. Oh, that was actually really easy.
Okay, there we go. That's how we get all this stuff out. Okay, so this is the poop drawer.
Yeah.
So this goes under the litter box.
Yep, but we need to put the legs on first.
Okay. Oh, here they are. Here's the instructions. That's not instructions. Instructions? What the heck?
What's that?
I don't know. It looks like a bar of soap.
I think it's like a scented thing. Yeah.
Okay, and then we got our bags. Sweet.
All right, I think these are just shipping clips here. This drum pops right out for cleaning, so you can clean this
Excuse
on a
me,
monthly
buddy.
kind of thing.
Okay. Wow, this is like very simple. Simply built.
I hope so. The whole idea of this was to make this easy to keep it maintained for the cats.
Okay, let's see.
All right, so
That's just how you connect it. That's not.
what's this thing here? There's a button. Okay. Okay, so the legs look like they just press in. So I'm just going to slide them in. Yeah.
Okay. All right, step one. After opening the package, press your hands on the slots in the left and right top cover and open the top cover, which is what we did.
We got that done.
Take out the fragrance tablet. Okay, so that's what it was. A fragrance tablet box, litter box drawer. Okay. Cat litter can be added through the entrance of the drum, like that. By removing the top and pouring it in here. Connect the power to use the product. The cat litter box will automatically reset after the power is turned on. Swoosh.
All right, here you go.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like. And download it. Which takes me to the Google Play Store. I don't think it's sitting right. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Okay.
It wasn't sitting in its little thingy, right? United States of America. All right, great. What'd you take? Wow, that's cute.
Oh, the rubber band.
Yeah, she was trying to grab it.
Oh, it's doing something. Okay, who knows what it's trying to do now. Hey, Ellie, what do you think?
Okay, so I don't think it rolls all the way around.
No, I think it does.
I don't think it does. I'm going to put money that you are wrong.
You want to put money that I'm wrong?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, you got that login thing done yet?
No, I've only put...
Oh. This wasn't lined up in the gear just right.
Mm-mm.
Okay, I think it's trying to find the Wi-Fi. One device is being added. The progress line is moving really slow.
Oh, it's
Oh, there
done.
it Done. Here, you can have it now.
All right, cool.
Take it back.
All right,
No.
cool. I can empty, clean, reset 0 times today. Let's show us how many times it's been cleaned.
Yeah, so notifying it.
Working status stable. No, it says standby. My bad. Last toilet durations. Last cat weight.
Does it have the weight? I told you this thing's got a
Oh
lot of
my
different
God.
things.
Work mode automatically manual. That's cool. Doorbell sound. I could do.
I think that's actually the color of the
Yeah.
light.
So we got red, green, blue, yellow, purple.
Yep, it's doing it all.
Does it look purple? Oh, it is purple.
Yep.
Okay. And then back to white. And then we got the brightness value.
Yeah, see, does it change the bright? Do it.
Cranking it.
Yep. Off. Dim.
Ooh.
Higher. Higher.
Can you tell?
Higher. Yep, I can
Max.
tell.
Awesome. That's cool.
All right.
What about the flow set? What does that mean?
I don't know.
Flow.
Oh, wait, it's changing the light on this. Do it again. It's dimming.
Oh,
it's
it's the-
dimming the display panel.
Okay, very cool. Well, we don't need
So
that.
I guess maybe if people are sensitive, like if it's close to where you're sleeping and you don't want it to be too bright.
And then daily clean time. Oh wait, can I change how long it can wait just to sit? The maximum is an hour.
Before it rotates?
Yeah,
All right, what's the minimum?
for a minute.
Okay.
Well, we'll put it to 3 minutes, because a lot of times they like to follow each other in and out.
Okay.
Um,
All right, so let's put some litter in there and make it do a cleaning cycle.
all right. And are you gonna match it up to that max bar?
That's what I'm, trying to aim for. The dogs
Yeah.
are a little too excited.
Bon appetit, guys. Dig in.
They might actually do that.
Yeah.
All right.
Like you're. Oh,
I think that's pretty close.
Wow, you did a good job.
All right, now
Money.
use your app and make it do a cleaning cycle. Let's see what it does.
All right, you want to put the cap back on? Getting impatient, so I'm just gonna
Yeah.
start pressing buttons.
I think if you hold it, it's supposed to go. Okay. All right, here it goes.
Yeah, get your face in there. Whoosh. So does all the kitty litter just fall in?
Well, it goes into a pocket, and that way it separates the clumps, like the turds and the clump pee, and then it would be dropping it as it comes around. The poops.
Oh my goodness, Ellie.
But we need to put something in there that represents like a poop.
All right, Winston.
All right, we need like a little ball or something,
No.
and then that's when it would drop into the tray, right there.
Oh wow, it does go all the way around.
Oh, I guess it doesn't go all the way around. So now it's gonna go back. All right, you were right.
I am the best. Give me my $5.
I didn't say $5.
I said $5.
You said $5?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you were like, all right, bet.
What? Let's play that back and find out. Let's do this at replay.
Okay, so I don't think it rolls all the way around.
No, I think it does.
I don't think it does. I'm going to put money that you are wrong.
You want to put money that I'm wrong?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now the litter minus the clumps comes back into the tray.
Wow.
What's your phone say? Does it say it's cleaning right now?
Well, that's a
Or
good
does it still say
question.
it's paused?
It says offline device. Oh, now it says device entering cleaning mode, and then work status says cleaning in progress.
All right, now let's see how well. Oh, look! It's gonna go past. It's gonna go past the mark, so it can get the litter. The dogs are like, "What are you doing?" And now it's going to even. Look at that.
Wow.
It goes past so it can level out.
Still not 100. Still not 360 turn, though.
No, but that was impressive because it goes past so the litter will go all the way to both sides of the tray.
Very cool, very cool.
All right, so the installation manual was lacking a little bit of support there. That's why we're making the video there. So we got the unboxing, the setup, and the actual like first trial use of it. And we'll come back with a review video later. But I'm already pretty impressed with the way the thing works. And I think it's going to really take the whole hassle out of cleaning the litter box. Manny? Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, all that stuff. Manny doesn't know what to say at the end. Bye-bye now.